G'day guys, Wayne and Judy here from Down Under. Today, July 17, 2021, the middle of winter. We're lucky here in Australia, we don't have a lot of heavy snows that they have in the northern hemisphere, but as you can see the wattle's out, and what we're going to show you is the middle of winter. Today's the first warm day for probably about 4 or 5 days, and we say warm because the sun was out and it's probably round about, we'll try and focus in on here, so you should be able to see the activity in there. Of the bees in and out. These little fellas are just got their bags absolutely chock-a-block. So this is the beauty of beekeeping down under, because even through winter you get an absolutely heaps and heaps and heaps of food for our bees. So how lucky are we? But this is just delightful. The middle of winter, you come outside and you have a look and you've got this. So we've got to consider ourselves pretty lucky with all that. So I thought we'd share that with you and have a great day. Signing off.